If you're interested in doing business for good, exploring innovative solutions to some of society's most wicked problems, then this is the right program for you. The Bachelor of Commerce in Social Innovation is St. Lawrence College's first 3-year degree. This program is going to offer over 300 hours of experiential opportunities. So we will be relying heavily on community engagement and capstone projects to ensure our learners are solving real-world problems. What really sets this program apart is its focus on social innovation. So the combination of business acumen, creativity, and technology to solve evolving societal needs. Graduates of this program will be emerging leaders in the nonprofit and charitable sector. They will also be contributors to the public sector in roles such as market analysts, business development officers. What will really set this program apart is that you're going to have the college experience. So anticipate smaller classroom sizes, having a chance to engage and get to know your professors, and really being part of the fabric of the community, which is St. Lawrence College. If you're interested in learning more about this program, start a conversation. Visit our website or get in touch with the program coordinator, as well as our recruitment team.